start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to get my nails done, my right hand, which means I've got to use my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand. So I'm going to do something easy, something I've not done for a while actually. I'm going to do a lazy girl method. So obviously I'm using Polygel, but I'm going to do a little gel polish design as well, using some of my Gelbox colours. So this is Pink Paradise. It's one of the brightest neon pinks I've ever seen. It's amazing. And Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon came in June's mystery box, and the neon pink came in July's mystery box. I've got a 15% off code for Gelbox as well, guys. I'll leave it in my description box with a link to the website. So that's the Polygel I'm using, just a nude from Aokitec, and the tips I'm using are out of the Crediu nail tips and glue upgraded kit that I reviewed in my last video. I think the tips are amazing. They're pre-etched, they're pre-buffed, and a really good size. When I'm doing lazy girl method, guys, I always size up on my tips. You don't want your tip to fit snug like a press on. You need room for the product, for the Polygel. So I always go one size up and it works out fine. So I've just done a quick bit of prep there. I've pushed my cuticles back, scraped away any dead skin, and buffed off all the shiny surface to my natural nails. So now I'm just using some alcohol and cleaning them off. So I'm going to give them a nice soaking of dehydrator, and then I'm going to give them a little coating of primer. They're both from Venalisa. Then I'm going to give them a quick base coat as well, and that base coat's going to get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So what I've decided to do, guys, one of my subscribers actually said this last time I did lazy girl method, and my artwork was really shit with my left hand, and one of my subscribers said, why not do the nail art first before you put the nails on? And I thought, good thinking, Batman. So this will only work, this won't work if you're fully covering the nails. It's not so bad if you're just doing little bits of artwork like this and the nail tip's still going to be transparent, because obviously you need that light to penetrate through the nail tip to cure the Polygel in a minute. So I'm just painting a French tip on 3 of these nails. The thumb and the pinky is going to be pink, and the pointer finger is going to be blue. These gels are so nice. Look at that for a neon, guys. It's super creamy and opaque, which is quite rare for neons. Neons can be a bit of a pain in the arse, can't they? But it's a really good neon. I like it. So yeah, these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that's my French tips done on those nails. Now these middle two, the ring and the middle, so let's start with the ring finger. They're going to be the same, just different colours. I'm literally just doing a squiggle, like a kind of half a squiggly French tip. Yeah, just a squiggle. And I'm going to do the same on the middle finger with the pink. I'm just going to do them on opposite sides of the nails. So yeah, I can get away with doing artwork on these because there's plenty of transparency left on that tip for the light to penetrate through it in a minute. So yeah, I'll let you watch for a second and I'll be back. So that is all my artwork done now, really. I'm just giving them a quick matte top coat because I did want to do a little bit more something on top, and I got distracted and went off doing something else and totally forgot I still had artwork left to do on them. and just cracked on with the design and stuck them on my nails. So the rest of the artwork I had to do whilst it was on my nails. So I've come back, took the tips off the tip display stand and just started putting them, like applying them to my nail. Totally forgetting I've not finished the artwork yet. But it's fine. So I'm using slip solution, my little Polygel brush. Just giving my brush a good clean first. And I'm literally just going to fill these tips with the Polygel now. You want to make sure you keep it quite thin at the cuticle area and quite thin up the sides at the cuticle area. And yeah, I'm just going to pat it and pull it down that whole nail. I actually didn't have enough. I think I had to put a bit more in this one. But yeah, as long as you get it nice and thin at the cuticle area and right up them side walls. I didn't have to completely fill the nail on these French tip ones, because the pink's covering the tip, but I just kind of wanted them to look the same underneath. Yeah, so this is a really, really easy method if you want nails on your right hand and you're really bad with your left hand like me. Yeah, it's just an easy way to do it, isn't it? So once I've filled that with the Polygel, I'm just going to press it really gently onto my nail. Really gently. And if you get any that squeezes out, just use your brush and a bit of your slip solution or alcohol and just wipe it away. And as soon as you're happy with it, get it straight in the lamp for 60 seconds. What I do is I cure it as normal for 60 seconds and then I turn my hand upside down and give it another 60, just in case that light hasn't got to the bit that's under that pink. So that's it cured now, nice and neat and tidy underneath. So I'll just show you doing one more because they're all the same, and then I'll do the rest of them off camera. Right guys, that is them all on. I love that nude with these neons. I think deep dark nudes like this look really smart with neons, especially in summer. I really like it. So I'm just going to go around the cuticle area now with a file, because you can kind of see the edge of the tip and I don't like it. So I like to just blend it in around the cuticle area and blend it in a little bit down the sides. And then I'm going to go over with a buffer and just blend some of them harsher scratches out that this file's doing. So that's all my filing and buffing done. I did pull out some decals and I thought, I have got a black nail art pen out of one of my mystery gel boxes. Perfect. And I wanted these lines to be kind of wiggly. Now this turned out fantastic because I'm using my left hand. The lines were naturally going to be squiggly anyway, so it worked out perfect. This nail art pen is fantastic. I love it. It air dries within a minute. You don't have to cure it in the lamp or anything. So yeah, I'm just doing 3 little squiggly lines. It's perfect. And then I'm going to do a little bit of stamping as well. So I just want to stamp a couple of little gold stars on the middle nails. So I pulled out a couple of plates that I've just got random random stars on. Yeah, I ended up using the other plate. I didn't use this one. So when you get a new plate, you always need to peel off that blue film, and I always give it a good clean with some acetone as well, because yeah, it won't stamp properly if you don't give it a clean. So I'm using a gold stamping polish from CADS, and it's just a bright yellow gold, isn't it? And I'm just going to stamp a moon and a couple of stars on one nail, and then some 4-pronged stars on the other nail. So I will just let you watch this stamping for a minute and I'll be back. Right guys, I'm just going to give these one final matte top coat and that will be then finished. I really like how these turned out. Quite a simple design, a simple technique. Laser Girl is fantastic for beginners, or like I said, using your left hand. So that's the colours I used there, Blue Lagoon and Pink Paradise. They came out of June and July's Gelbox mystery box. Like I said guys, I will leave my discount code, I'll leave a link to the website. I'm not sure if there's any July mystery boxes left, but I am pretty sure August mystery box will be out soon, so keep your eye out for that. Fantastic gels, I really enjoy using them. But yeah, that's it for today guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.